Hi guys and welcome to the last exercise in this section, exercise 11, wiring two power sockets. The objective is to connect two power sockets together. However, each one will work separately. By the way, this type of power socket is called 13 ampere single power socket. There is also 13 ampere twin power socket or double power socket. In addition, 13 ampere means this power socket can handle up to 13 ampere. Yeah, let's move to procedures. From the backside, a power socket looks like this. There are three terminals for live wire, neutral wire, and earth wire. Well, as you can see, make a loop between the L terminals and be sure to tighten the screws properly. Next, make a loop by using a neutral wire and connect it to the main supply as shown. Make a loop between the earth terminals and connect it to the main supply as shown. Finally, connect the live wire to the main supply. Pay attention that the L terminal in the power socket works as the COM terminal in the switches. By the way, during this section we've used to say connect to the main supply, connect to the main supply, connect to the main supply. But what does the main supply mean? What is the main supply? Yeah, the main supply refers to the DB or distribution board, and we will discuss it in the coming section. Okay, this was everything for this exercise. I wish all exercises were clear to you. Anyway, if you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask me. See you in the last lecture in the conclusion for this section. Good luck.